Hey there, all you sexy YouTube nail mother lovers. Cadence here. I hope you're well. Happy weekend. If you're watching this on a weekend, of course. Who am I to predict the future? Today, as promised, I am going to grab my hot chocolate and my patience and take you into the realm of Madame Glam's House of Life collection, and we are going to create 2 shit flowers. Let's do this. So, in case you are unfamiliar with the Madame Glam House of Life collection, I keep clipping over that. Couldn't think of the word. I keep slipping over that, or tripping over that, because all of their collections have been House of something lately. It's pissing me off. Just call it something different. Anyway, the collection had me baffled, as we spoke about in my last video, and here is what I came up with. And like I said, it was called 2 Shit Flowers in my editing software. I'll put a little picture somewhere here of it called 2 Shit Flowers so that you know I'm not making shit up. Not that you would. Why would you? Why would I? I haven't so far. Only that I know what I'm doing. We're just totally making that shit up as we go along. So I've started with Mama Bear and whatever the other one was, I didn't see. And we are going to ombre these 2 colors together to make a background for our first shit flower. Because it's a background, I'm not too fussed about. That was a fly. That was buzzing around the whole time I was doing these, and that also was driving me crazy. Not only my lack of skill and motivation, the thing wouldn't leave me alone. Holy moly, it's Australia, and it's winter. So, yes, if you wanted to know, are we forever being harassed? Okay, side note. Fucking first time that happened, fuck you. Yes, we are constantly harassed by all kinds of vermin and wildlife in this country, be it rain, hail or shine, be it hot as fuck or cold as fuck in the wintertime. I live on a mountain, so yes, it does get cold as fuck here in Australia. So, what am I doing to create the first lot of the 2 shit flowers? Well, on this one nail, I am going to create 3 shit flowers. All I've done is take a dotting tool, and this is the Kirsty Meakin Messy Nessie brush. Yay, I got it right. There it is written there on the side of the brush. That's the smallest brush that they do, teeny tiny. And I'm just pulling them out to create little tulip-y type shapes. And then I do flash cure it as I'm still babbling and it turns into me doing other shit. We are creating tulip-y type flowers things. Why did I do it like this? Because the colors that made the most sense to me were the blues and the purples that went together in this, and you'll see in a minute the contrast, the purples and the blues, in another video that we'll see next week, were the rest of the colors in the collection, all except for the orange, because fuck you, orange. What do I do with you with the rest of these colors? So you're not seeing orange. I'll do something else with the orange if it is highly requested. So what I've done is taken Oh god, what was that? Funfetti. Funfetti just keeps giving and giving and giving. I love this no white top coat. It just gives and gives and gives because it turns something that's totally crap and mediocre into something that's relatively crap and okay. If you agree, and you too like Funfetti, or if you've got no fucking idea what I'm talking about with Funfetti, still take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to this mental channel so that we can have some fun together. So, the second shit flower is using the purple and pink. What were they called? I don't know. I missed it. Oh no, my computer. Oh no, it's just me not touching things. Does your computer do that? You're using it and then it will just go to sleep because you forget that you're using it because you're staring at a screen so long? Happens to me all the time. So if I can talk about a nail, I'll talk about the ombre maybe. I like to start in the middle and ombre where the colours meet. Then I like to clean my brush, go from where they meet down, clean my brush again, go from where the top starts down, clean my brush again, go from the bottom up, and then that tends to get a relatively nice blend, shall we say. The more time you spend on it, the better the blend will be. These are backgrounds, so I didn't really care if they weren't too blended, if that makes sense. Yes, I don't know, for some reason I like my backgrounds a little bit rough and raw because it makes what's in front of them, especially when you're doing stuff like this, a little bit more, not that these are realistic, let's be honest, but it just makes them a little bit more, what am I trying to say, raw, interesting, organic, when you're doing flowers and things like that. So again, I took the special dotting tool and I'm using the Messy Nessie brush from Kirsty Meakin, and I'm just pulling out and pulling in to create some sort of 5-petaled like flower thing. I flash cured that and then I put all these other spots on and am doing the pull of these spots all at once. I know there's a pulling joke in there somewhere, but I'm just gonna go, hey husband, hope you're watching. Oh dear, that was in poor taste, wasn't it? So doing the same with these other, see how I changed topics then and didn't quite go down that rabbit hole? I mean, YouTube bans me as it is. Well, they don't ban me, but they don't push these out as it is because of the level of, look what I did again for the second time. Oh god, I know, what was I doing on this terrible day? Not only was I uninspired, but I was throwing everything anywhere. So with this, I've just decided to make a daisy chain, so to speak, even though these aren't daisies. Just trying to create a bit of interest in the nail and to get the length of the nail rather than bunching everything up all at the top or all at the bottom. And this is a really cool way to use the length of a really long nail when you're creating flowers, is to do this kind of daisy chain type thing. I know it's not a daisy, you get what I mean, it just makes it flow nicer down the nail, flows like water down a waterfall, if we're going. And then I go a bit over the top and put some spudges out the side for some unknown reason, because it really doesn't need it, but it doesn't look bad, so I thought, fuck it, I'm not gonna rub it off. I'm just gonna leave it. I cured it, and then we played with bastard balls. Dun dun dun. We all know how Cadence loved bastard balls. So I got rid of them, moved them out of the way, and we are going to use I don't know why I all of a sudden have a title. I really didn't care about putting titles in because I hated this set so much. So I'm using Bastard Balls and a combination of these little pixie crystal things. Just using them in gold to give a bit of difference because I use a lot of silver. And I thought that the pinky purpley combination and the center of a flower leads itself to gold a little bit better. Now I'm taking top coat and for some reason going, yes, do the wiggle jiggle and the kiss up around it, and then I go, fuck it, and I just went all over the top of everything. Yes, I did. All over the top of everything. So it's all shiny and it's all yes, it's all locked in there. Okay, so as we're winding down this set, if you have enjoyed this in any way, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, because here we go, here we are, we have created 2 shit flowers. My apologies for the rampant negativity surrounding this set and this collection. Please go watch my previous video, as I'll pop up here, and the doohickey link thing. I don't know how it works, but if you can figure it out, that's good. Yeah, go back and have a listen. It was a real intense mental health struggle, but we're here, we're back, we are presenting 2 shit flowers as was intended. I do create something that's far, far better than this with the second half of the Madame Glenn House of Life collection. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, I hope you're having a good weekend. I hope you've kind of enjoyed 2 shit flowers. Please leave me comments. I really do appreciate them. There's a couple of you out there that have really restored my faith in humanity. I do read all your comments and I do try to get back to all of you in a timely manner when I'm happy, healthy, and able. So, I will see all of you sexy YouTube mother lovers in the next one. Bye!